So hi guys, let's make tilapia or ngege. I have cleaned and washed my tilapia, made some cuts in between, and I'm ready to marinate. I'm going to mix some spices for marinade. Here I've got turmeric from Pfizer's Kitchen. I have used 1 teaspoon, masala 1 teaspoon, paprika 1 teaspoon. I have used ginger garlic paste, some salt and lemon. Squeeze some lemon and add some salt. Give it a good mix and make a paste. I've used this paste to marinate my fish. This is tilapia, guys, and it's very tasty when you marinate so well and nicely. Leave it after marination, leave it for about 30 to 45 minutes before you cook it. And I have fried mine on a shallow fry. I'm going to show you shortly. This recipe is very easy, and as you can see, this is the way I fried my tilapia. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and for more videos, stay tuned and see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.